sangka.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Dr. Rakib and fellow classmates. I am Muhammad Izzat bin Muhammad Ramli as a team leader and my group mates are
I'm Muhammad Hafiz bin Rahim.
I am Muhammad Nizamul Hayya bin Nizamuddin.
I Muhammad Faizal bin Sidi Muhammad.
I'm Muhammad Arif bin Idris.
and our topic for these projects are
Road
Safety Audit.
Okay, Assalamualaikum, very good morning. I am Muhammad Nizamul Hayya bin Nizamuddin. My matric number CF140147. My part to discuss the background of study of our proposed location. Okay, the operation of route involved three elements. First, driver, vehicles and environments. The purpose of the study to audit the level of safety and the purpose location and identifies some weakness of create a system that is safe. Okay, we are choose intersections for Batu Pahat to Air Hitam and the surrounding the KFC restaurants. We are measure the flow rate during the peak hour of the intersections. Okay, we have three objectives. The first objective is to checking the design, implementation and operation to implement the safety principles. The second, to improve the awareness of safe design practice. The third, to identify the situation of proposed locations. Okay, I will discuss the scope of study. We are investigate the road safety audit surrounding the near the Paya Raja beside the KFC intersections. The problem statement on this project is the traffic flow through Batu Pahat and Air Hitam. And Air Hitam to Batu Pahat have a largest flow of vehicle during peak hours. It made a lot of accident cases without suitable safety. That's all for me. Thank you.
I'm Hafiz bin Rahim with the matrix number CF140156. Okay, I will present about my topic, which is related to the literature review. Okay. Okay. As we know, road safety is a formal examination of the planning and connection to the. It's a formal process, not just an ad hoc check. Okay. The examination needs to be done at various stage in the development of a project. Okay. The auditors must be properly qualified and experienced to undertake the task. Okay. And the audit must consider the safety of all road that go. Okay, guys. We know that there are 5 stages which involved in road safety audit. Okay, you know that the firstly is the stage 1. Okay, we know that there is the feasibility and planning stage. That is the stage 1. For the stage 2, is draft, which is considered as preliminary design plan. Oh no, design stage. Okay, the stage 3 audit, there is detailed design stage. Meanwhile, the stage 4 is a pre-opening stage, and lastly is the existing road.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Izzat bin Muhammad Ramli. CF 140209. I will explain about the methodology of our project. For the methodology, we use 2 methods, which are spot speed study and signalized study. Okay, as we know, speed is the rate of movement of a vehicle generally expressed in km per hour. The spot speed study is study of traffic speed at a one point or spot on a traffic way. It contains a series or a sample of observation of the individual speed at which vehicle are expressed in km per hour. There are 2 objectives of this study are to determine the speed characteristic of traffic at the study location, which are at the intersection of Maybank, Batu Pahat and the second method of the methodology is signalized study. This study main objective are to calculate and measure the capacity of the road and the number of vehicles on the road. It is important to know the number of road capacity before provide any pedestrian facilities.
Yes, all.
Yeah, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Dr. Rakib and fellow classmates. My name is Muhammad Arif Idris and my metric number is CF 140195. And I will explain about the result and analysis of our road safety audit. And the data analysis is based on Malaysia Guidebook for Traffic and Road Safety. And it divided into three, which is facilities vulnerable, traffic signing and pavement marking, and road safety. Okay, for number one, the vulnerable facilities, it has three categories, which is motorcyclists, pedestrian, and cyclists. And after the observation, after we have observed the location on the site, the motorcycle lane is not provided. So it has to be constructed to the motorcycle lane to make the road more systematic. The next thing is the pedestrian infrastructure. We noticed that a pedestrian infrastructure is provided. It is provided both sides on the road and full length of the road. The second point is traffic signing and pavement marking. Okay, we observe that longitudinal pavement is appropriate. The center line is provided appropriate. The lane line provided appropriate. The continuity line provided but not appropriate, and the edge line also not appropriate. And the third point is the road safety, roadside safety. The roadside safety is the shoulder type appropriate and sufficient in width is with standard R3/U1, and for the required shoulder type is paved, which is 2.5 meter width. Existing shoulder is also paved at 1.7 meter. And we noticed that the roadside have the bus stop, which has the user for the road, especially UTHM student and other user. And we also have to conclude the safety for the road
safety
user. Requirement at the roadside must be considered, which is for the pedestrian must have pedestrian walk. For the motorcyclist must have motorcyclist roadway, and for the cyclist just for the cyclist to the pedestrian lane. And the next thing about safety requirement is we have bumper. We have to construct a bumper, the traffic light, and road signage at the suitable location. That's all from me, and thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name Muhammad Faizul bin Sidi Muhammad. Metric number CF 140103. I from section 4. For our project location at intersection from Batu Pahat to Air Hitam to Batu Pahat, Pair Raja Town, and intersection My Band Pair Raja. For our group recommendation for the road, must install road barrier as a barrier between the lane and also can to divide the traffic moving in opposite direction. This is also must install traffic light for the road, because that can give the road intersection line between the road. From that, the road have the intersection, pedestrian crossing, and to control of traffic. From that, when we install the traffic light, that can reduce number of accident actually. And for another recommendation for our group is road for the traffic must install signboard. This is very important because signboard can give a limit of speed between 60 and 90 km per hour to give road use and give the road user remind about the limit speed actually. And another important thing is zebra crossing also must provide to give the pedestrian to cross the road with safety. This is very important to the pedestrian actually, because they want to crossing the road. And for lastly, for our group recommendation is the traffic road must install traffic calming to slow the speed of vehicle passing through the road. From that, reduce the speed of vehicle and also reduce the number of accident. Okay, this is from recommendation for our group. Thank you very much.
Okay, guys. As the conclusion, okay, road safety audit stage 5 has identified several aspects of the construction work and the other issues related to roads, which if mistakes will contribute to the increase in occurrence of accident or severity of accident increase during the event accident in this area. Road safety audit stage 5 also has identified lack of security that can be overcome by making a review of several works traffic management schemes, such as the comprehensive vision problem that is limited to the early morning hours. Okay, that's all from today.